What was the key there in holding them off in the second half? They were applying a lot of pressure.
They're a very good team. We were up 2-0 against them in the regular season, so we know they can come back from that. And it's just about making plays, being in good position all over the field, being organized with our system of play, and just executing. And you know, that's a game where you've got to really grind against Wisconsin Parkside because they're phenomenal. They give everything they have. So you have to not only trust your talent that got you here, but you got to find a desire and a will inside of you. And this group, led by some awesome seniors, did that. Everybody stepped up emerging roles throughout the year, so it's been a fun ride.